Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter number 5, lines and angles. Now children, in the previous video we were seeing about interior angles and exterior angles. So we will continue with that further. Now children, what do you mean by interior angles? The angles that come inside are called as interior angles. So what is the name of that interior angles children here? Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 are called as interior angles because they are inside. Now children, what are the exterior angles? Exterior angles means outside angles children. Here 1, 2, 7 and 8 are exterior angle. Now children, what pair of corresponding angles? Now when the two lines are cut by a transversal, not parallel lines children, when two lines are cut by a transversal, we have four corresponding angles children. See, corresponding angles are those angles here 2 and 6 is corresponding angle. In this children 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Now children, from downside 7 and 3. Angle 7 and angle 3. And from this side angle 8 and angle 4. Okay children. Now the pair of alternate interior angles. Now children, alternate interior angles means the angles that are forming inside. Now if you look at this figure, this is forming Z children, isn't it? Z. So these are alternate angles, angle 3 and angle 6. And to this side also it is forming Z. So here angle 4 and angle 5 are alternate interior angles. Now children, what are a pair of alternate exterior angles? Now see children, exterior, this Z is forming no. To the exterior of these what we see 1 and 8. So angle 1 and 8. Now children, here to this side we see 2 and 7. Up to the exterior 2, angle 2 and angle 7. Now children, they are asking pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal. Now what is this concept children? Pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal. See, these are the pair of interior angles, angle 4 and angle 6. And to this side also children, here we have a pair of interior angles 3 and 5. And angle 5. Now see children, the name of angles, what we got from these: interior angles, exterior angles, pair of corresponding angles, pair of alternate interior angles, pair of alternate exterior angles, pair of interior angles on the same side of transversals. Again I am repeating children, interior angles, exterior angles, pair of corresponding angles, pair of alternate interior angles, pair of alternate exterior angles, pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Now children, from this you have understood what are interior angles and what are exterior angles. Now we will see what are corresponding angles children. Now here the corresponding angles have different vertices and are on the same side of the transversal and are in corresponding position above or below, left or right, relative to the two lines. Now see children, this type of shape we have for the corresponding angles. This is here 1 and here is 5. One below the other. See children, here then different vertices it has, no children. See here is where is its vertices, here is its vertices. Second one was what? They are on the same side of the transversal and they are one below the other. Now here children, see here, this is one angle and then this is another angle. Continuation. Now here we see that at different vertices on the same side of the transversal and one below the other. Now here see children. Here see. One below the other on the same side, different vertices. Now here see children. Like this also we have to see. See. One below the other, different vertices on the same side. Same side they are children. Okay. Understood corresponding angles, or just children you can remember the figure here like this one angle and below that one angle. And from this side children, here downside like this and like this. Okay. Like this type of figure you have to keep in mind. So these are called as corresponding angles. Now children, what are alternate interior angles? Now if you see children, these are interior, no? They are interior. And see children, this is one angle and this is second angle. So have different vertices are on the opposite side of the transversal. See children, here one angle is to this hand and the second angle is to the other hand. Now lie between the two lines and lie between the two lines. Now children, to remember this alternate interior angles, you just remember this Z. This one angle and this second angle, or this like this Z children. Okay. So understood the things that you have to remember. Now children, try these of page number 106. Now children, what is this angle? Name of this angle? Corresponding angle. See children, one below the other. Okay. Now this 3 and 4 children, what it is forming? See, this alternate from here and here. So this is alternate angle. Now see children, these are in the interior. So what are they called as? Interior angles. Now see children, here 1 and 2. So one below the other. So what is this? Corresponding angles. Now see children, this 10 and 9. What are they forming? Z, no? So this is alternate angle. Now children, what are these two angles? They are in the exterior. So these are exterior angles. Understood children? What are corresponding angles? Alternate angles, interior angles and exterior angles. Okay. Now in the next video we will see children transversal of parallel lines. Till then, bye children.